The ability to observe, without evaluating, is the highest form of intelligence. There is hope in people, not in society, not in systems, but in you and me. A cup is useful only when it is empty, and a mind that is filled with beliefs, with dogmas, with assertions, with quotations, is really an uncreative mind. A lily, or a rose, never pretends, and its beauty is that it is what it is. What sex gives you momentarily is the total abandonment of yourself. Then you are back again with your turmoil, so you want a repetition, over and over again, of that state, in which there is no worry, no problem, no self. Here is my secret. I don't mind what happens. To be religious is to be sensitive to reality. It's beautiful to be alone. To be alone does not mean to be lonely. It means the mind is not influenced and contaminated by society. Truth is more in the process than in the result. Religion, politics, society are exploiting you, and you are being conditioned by them. You are being forced in a particular direction. You are not human beings. You are mere cogs in a machine. If your eyes are blinded with your worries, you cannot see the beauty of the sunset. Sex plays an extraordinarily important part in our lives because it is perhaps the only deep, first-hand experience we have. There is pain and strife in all our relationships except in the act of sex. Sex is a problem because it would seem that in the act there is complete absence of the self. In that moment, you are happy because there is the cessation of self-consciousness, of the me, and desiring more of it.